Need your one click on this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. In today's video, we're replacing the damaged front headlight glass on a Toyota Land Cruiser FJ70. A cracked or cloudy headlight glass not only makes the vehicle look old, but it also reduces light output and can allow dust and moisture to enter the headlight housing. In this video, we'll carefully remove the old glass, clean the housing, install a new glass lens, and seal everything properly for a long-lasting repair. Before starting, disconnect the battery if necessary and wear safety gloves and eye protection. Gather all the required tools, including screwdrivers, socket set, trim tools, a heat gun, utility blade, plastic scraper, microfiber cloth, automotive glass sealant or butyl seal, masking tape, and the new FJ70 headlight glass. Now test fit the new headlight glass before applying sealant. Check that all edges align perfectly with the housing. Once satisfied, apply a continuous bead of automotive sealant or install fresh butyl sealing tape around the entire edge. Carefully place the new glass onto the housing and press evenly around all sides. Make sure there are no gaps. Use masking tape or clips if necessary to hold the glass firmly while the sealant cures. Allow the sealant to cure according to the manufacturer's recommended time. Do not rush this step because a proper seal prevents water, dust, and condensation from entering the headlight. Once fully cured, reinstall the headlight assembly onto the Toyota FJ70. Reconnect the wiring connector, tighten all mounting screws, and reinstall the front grille. Switch on the headlights and verify that both low beam and high beam operate correctly. Check the beam alignment and adjust if necessary. The new headlight glass gives the Toyota FJ70 a clean factory appearance while improving nighttime visibility and protecting the headlight from moisture and dust. A careful installation ensures years of reliable performance. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this restoration and repair, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Toyota Land Cruiser repairs, restorations, and workshop projects. See you in the next video.